So, you want to bake with your normal map in Substance Painter instead of your high poly model. Let's get it done. So let's start a new project, File, New. I want PBR Metallic Roughness in my case. You're going to select our model. Document size, I like to work at 2K, but when you export it, you can select what you want and it'll actually upres everything. So 2K is usually good to start with, and I'll export it in 4K. Next, we're going to import the normal map we baked in our previous tutorial. We baked this from Zbrush. And then you're gonna hit OK. All right, perfect. All right, next you're gonna go to your texture settings right here. We're gonna select null map, that's what we already imported. And then what size we wanna bake them at. I'm actually, I'll bake them at 2K still. And then we're gonna go to bake mesh maps. From here, we already have a normal map, so we definitely don't wanna use that. So it'll rebake the normal map and bake over it. And I want to bake all the rest of these, and you're just going to hit bake. Hit OK. And there we go. You can see all of our high resolution detail from our null map. And we didn't have to deal with importing the high poly and any of that nonsense. Much easier. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe, and if you didn't like this video, hit dislike button twice, and I'll see you around.